how can we make a water animal? Today we will make octopus. We have to take one rectangular colored paper. You can take any color here. I have taken green color. We will divide our page into two halves, and in one half we will divide 8 parts in rectangular shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Friends, we have to take the paper little hard. ये पेपर थोड़ा हार्ड है, देखिए. एंड इस पेपर को हम 2 हाफ में डिवाइड करेंगे एंड 1 हाफ को 8 पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे. सभी पार्ट सेम होने चाहिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 पार्ट. एंड हियर हमने ऊपर की तरफ थोड़ा सा पेपर छोड़ दिया है जिसको कि हम पेस्ट करेंगे. रोल करने के बाद पेस्ट करेंगे. नाउ वी विल मेक सर्कल्स ऑन ईच स्ट्रिप्स. जो हमने रेक्टेंगुलर शेप की स्ट्रिप्स बनाई है उन स्ट्रिप्स पे हमें सर्कल बनाना है, लाइक दिस. नाउ वी विल कट these strips to make the arms of the octopus. Do you know an octopus has 8 arms? And you can see here we have made 8 strips because we have to make 8 arms. Look here, it is looking so nice. Now we will paste this paper from both sides of upper part like this. Now we will make curls on the pen. You can take any pen and you will fold the paper like this. Now we will paste eyes. I have made eyes from the paper, but you can take googly eyes. And we will draw mouth with a sketch pen. You can use red sketch pen. Now we will make another craft, jellyfish. First of all, we will take a paper and we will draw half circle for the body of jellyfish. Then we will make a borderline with another color paper. And we will paste like this. Now we will make the hair of the jellyfish. So here we will take 2 colored paper and we will make 6 strips for it. You will cut the strips. Here we have some strips in 2 colors. You can take any color for strips. Now we are going to make a scene of ocean. You know na that jellyfish found in oceans. Here we will draw some leaves. Now I am going to color our leaves in green color. You will color nicely. Then we will paste all the strips of jellyfish at the back. Now here I am going to paste its eyes. And we will draw its mouth with a sketch pen, and for a smiley face we will draw dimples. It looks so nice. Now we will make water bubbles. We will paste white paper and then now we will make strokes for bubbles. It looks like water bubbles. Okay. And we will curl our strips with the help of any pencil or pen. Look here, our jellyfish is ready to swim. Friends, please like and subscribe our channel. And if you are new, then press the bell button.